Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MAT Furie token. Ticker symbol is MAT. Now this token is on the Ethereum blockchain and is trending number 3 right now on DEX Screener and trending number 4, actually number 5 right now on DEX Tools. Very popular project today. Matt Furie is the creator of the Boysclub comic book, Pepe, Landwolf, Brett, Andy, etc. And yeah, lots of meme coins based on Matt Furie. And we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Matt Furie, creator of the Boysclub, very famous in the crypto world. I saw this token trending earlier today on DEX Tools or DEX Screener. I can't remember which one, but it was trending. And I thought, sometimes these new tokens, they can be kind of sketchy when they first come out. That's, usually the first day, that's when tokens kind of go bananas. And then if they're scams, they'll usually die out right away. So it's kind of like, I'm a little bit sketchy to make videos in the first hour or so when tokens come out because you never know what's going to happen. But this one's basically been trending all day. I did do a video a long time ago on a Matt Furie token. I think it was on the Solana blockchain, so don't get confused with other Matt Furie tokens that have come out in the past. And not only that, I just saw on Bitmart, they just announced on Bitmart, it says upcoming new listing, they're going to be listing the Memecoin, which is also on Ethereum. And name of the token's Matt, ticker symbol Matt, and that one's based off Matt Furie. And that token's not out yet, and it's coming this week. But it is not this Matt token. So there's lots of Matt Furie tokens out there. Somebody actually commented today on a video I did on, I think it was Mellow Man or Skull Wolf. It's a Matt Furie character. And somebody commented, do a video on this token. So that's why I'm doing this video as well. But don't get confused. The Bitmart listing that's coming up this week is not this token right here. This is a totally different token. So I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you don't get confused at Matt Furie OX79, blue verified checkmark. It says King of all memes. They have a Telegram here at Matt Furie OX79 and their webpage mattfurieox79.com. They just joined in July 2024, 4,460 followers there. And in their pinned tweet, they have the contract address, the X, Telegram, webpage, basically like a full link tree of everywhere you need to go is in their pinned tweet. So you're going to find all the links you need on this Twitter right here. Do not get confused with the Bitmart listing coming up. Now, I'm not saying which one's good because I have no idea which one's good. The Bitmart listing could do better than this token. So who knows? We'll see what happens in the future. But as of now, this one's got a huge market cap. We'll go over that in a second. But if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you need like a MetaMask wallet, a Coinbase wallet, or a Trust wallet. You would fund that wallet with ETH. You'd go into the dApps. You would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your ETH for the Matt Furie token using the contract address that you can find in their pinned tweet right here or on their webpage, mattfurieox79.com. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. And just be aware that there is going to be some gas fees when buying tokens off of Ethereum. So or buying tokens off of Uniswap, I mean. So this token is up 72.93% today. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $13.6 million. They have $10.5 million market cap, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They have $489,000 in liquidity in Uniswap, and according to Dex Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned, so that's great to see there. Now, their Ether scan here says they have 3,061 holders so far, 9 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 420,690,000,000 tokens. Now, yeah, very popular project today. So they have here their total supply of tokens is 417.99 billion tokens. So it looks like it's deflationary because it's a little bit less than what their Ether scan says. And that is also their circulating supply. They have 79.09 pooled ETH in Uniswap, which is equivalent to 9.68 pooled MAT tokens. They have a DEX score of 99 out of 99. They have a community trust score of 98.6% out of 366 votes. But according to their quick audits on DEX tools, it says there is 3 alerts on their audit. So just be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research there. Review the DEX tools audit because it's not a perfect audit. So Matt Furie, born August 14th, 1979, is the creator of the Boysclub comic series, which includes many popular internet memes like Pepe, Brett, Andy, and Landwolf. Matt Furie's combination of artistic brilliance, cultural impact, resilience, and genuine approach to his work and fans makes him an extraordinary figure in the world of art and internet culture. Celebrating Matt Furie's legacy by joining the Matt Furie token community. So the tokenomics are on the webpage here. It says no tax, so you don't have to worry about slippage. It shows you step-by-step how to buy this token off Uniswap in case you didn't understand how I explained it earlier. Then it just says ape into Matt, join us, more to be announced. But yeah, their quick audit there, I would definitely review that. There's a quick audit on DEX tools. I don't know if there's one on Dex Screener too. They just added a chat on Dex Screener too, so you could talk to people now. But this token is basically 1 day, 15 hours old, it says here. So a pretty brand new token here. And there's so many Matt Furie tokens coming out of all sorts of different Matt Furie characters. So go check those out. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this Matt token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? What do you think about the other one being listed on Bitmark too, if you're aware of that one? Which one are you liking more? Is it this one or that one? Yeah, leave a comment. Check out the referral codes down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.